the outlet box. You know, sometimes I have to take the box out inside the wall so that I can fish another wire in there and have enough room, and maybe put a deeper box in there, and then put some wires in there, put a cut-in box in there, fish the wires back up in there, put the plug back on, and all that kind of stuff. All that stuff's on my YouTube channel. But I think what I'm going to do next is look at this door here. Right now there's no doorstop on the door. So guess what happens? Guess what happens over here on the wall, on the nice wall? Kaboom, kaboom, and kaboom. So the question becomes, what am I going to do? You see that nice little indentation in the wall? Yeah, how are we going to fix that? The walls have already been painted. Do I really want to patch that? And then try to put a little funky texture on there to match that, and then to prime it, paint it, 2 coats of paint, match the paint. Do I really want to go through all that? Well, what other choice do I have? You know, I could put a door bumper on this door here and screw it in and have it go up to there. But this is an exterior door. Do I really want to have a door bumper there? None of the other exterior doors has a door bumper on there. And the door bumpers that I would have used would be like this one over here. Okay? These are nice door bumpers. Nice fat there, smaller there. You can unscrew that, the curlicue part, and then you've got just a little base that you screw in, and then the curlicue fits on a little hole there, and you just screw it on. And there's your door bumper. Okay, but if I do that, first off, I'm going to have to look at that door bumper out here. Now this door here swings out, so I decided to leave the door bumper off it. Don't really need a door bumper on that. They had a door bumper on this door, I believe. See, there's a hole there. I decided to leave that off. How many times are they going to have somebody going to have this door open all that way? Probably never. Probably never. Although if you get a little kid coming around here and they do that and it pushes into the wall, then you're like, yeah, I should have had a door bumper. So you can put a door bumper, but this is a hallway, and I didn't necessarily want those door bumpers sticking out, because then somebody could hit it with their feet or whatever. I mean, I could put the hinge door stops on here, so that then when this opens, maybe it'll only open. Maybe it'll only open this far. And I could do that. I could put hinge stops, door hinge stops, kind of like what I showed you before. And if you didn't see that particular video, here's a door hinge stop. That's what I call a hinge stop. Something like this. See, you pull the hinge pin off, then you put this on here. Here's the flat pad. Some aren't like this. Some have just this goes down, and maybe it's got one of these deedee bobbers on this side, and it's not flat like that. But I chose the flat ones, and then you've got that, and then you can adjust that. So I could put those on this door if I really wanted to, right? I could. Or if I put the bumper, then the door has to come all the way this far to open. Because right now, if somebody whacks this, I could damage this wall. That's the last thing we want. Okay, but back to our thought process over here. What to do here? What to do? If I put a door bumper there, that would fix the problem, right? But it's not going to fix this problem, is it? But I've got an idea on how to fix that without patching the sheetrock, putting some sort of spackle up there, priming it, painting it, making it look like a big old, oh yeah, here's a big old patch right here. Joe taught me that, and people say, yeah, that looks like crap. Who told him to do that? Well, there's going to be another way on how I'm going to fix that. You keep watching my channel and my videos, and I'll show you how to do it. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.